Good morning, first grade. I hope everyone is having a great day so far. Today is Thursday, January 21st, 2021. It is the 91st day of school, and your special is music today at 11:45. Before we go through the schedule, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. First thing coming out first thing this morning, you will see an application problem for lesson 8 in math. There will also be a learning video from Miss Taylor about something called similes. Today we will also have the Spelling City, which is now the Kids A to Z app, where you can take a practice spelling test to help prepare for our spelling test. The Kids A to Z app on the Seesaw activity, I show you a picture of the app and walk you through the directions. The username and password is exactly the same as it was for Spelling City. If it asked you for find your teacher or find your teacher's name, you can type in Courtney Norris and it should bring up our class, and then you can find your name from the list, and it may ask you to put in a password. But let me know if you have any trouble logging in or finding the app, or if you have any trouble at all with it, just let me know and we will figure it out. It will list 4 or 5 activities. You can just complete the first one like we've always done, in the past. Okay, the other thing coming out this morning is something a little different. We're going to try something a little bit different. We have a vocabulary assessment today, and we wanted to try having you take this through a video. So I will walk you through the video. This paper is in the third supply box. It's assessment 20A, but I'll go through all that in the video. And then I will just walk through each of the questions, and you will circle either yes or no depending on the question and the word, and then you can take a picture and send it in when you're finished. With the video, you'll be able to pause it and rewind it if you need to, but we just wanted to try doing this, and we're actually going to try taking the spelling test this way tomorrow as well. So hopefully it works out well for you. All right, but let me know if you have any questions or trouble. Then we will meet at 10 today, like normal. We will have word building, so if you could please bring the letters C, D, F, K, N, O, R, T, and W, and a blank dictation paper, that would be great. We do have science today, science social studies at 10:45, and we will learn about 2 new polar animals, and then we will meet again at 1 today for math, and there is a fluency practice today, so if you could also have your yellow spined workbook with you today as well, that would be great. All right, so thanks again. Let me know if you have any questions. And the riddle joke for today is, what race is never run? What race is never run? And we'll share this morning, okay? All right, with some of this new stuff today, let me know if you have any questions, trouble, problem, if I can do anything to help. And I can't wait to see everybody soon. Bye.